guys! For today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa sequence. So ano ba ang sequence? A sequence is a set of numbers written in a specific order. Or meron siyang pattern or rule na sinusunod. Okay, for example, if I have here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? This is considered a sequence. Now, paano kung gusto kong malaman yung susunod na term? Let's try to identify ano ba yung pattern or rule na sinusunod ng sequence na to. Let's try ha. Examine nyo. Ano kayang gagawin? Ang pattern ay nag-a-add tayo ng 2. Let's check. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So, ano kaya yung susunod na number? We have there 10 kasi 8 plus 2 is 10. So, this is an example of sequence. Now, may dalawa tayong klase ng sequence. Yung finite sequence at yung infinite sequence. So, ano ba yung pinagkaiba nitong dalawa na to? When we say finite sequence, ito yung klase ng sequence na may last term. O kaya mong ma-identify yung last term niya. Okay, doon sa sequence. Okay, how about now, this one, yung infinite sequence. Kung ito may last term, ito, without last term, hindi mo ma-identify ano ba yung last term niya. Kasi infinite nga siya. Okay, now let's try to identify anong klaseng mga sequence tong given natin. So, we have here 12, 15, 17, 19, and then maraming number dito, and then 27. Okay, can we identify the last term? Yes, ano yung last term na or yung huling number niya? 27. Since na-identify natin yung last term, finite siya. Okay? How about the next one? 3, 6, 9, 12. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung last term? Yes. Diba? Ano? Yung 12. So, this one is also a finite sequence. Number 3, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. And we have this symbol. Ito, ang tawag natin dito ay ellipsis. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng ellipsis? Ang sinasabi nito, marami pang number after ng 16. Kung saan siya matatapos, hindi natin alam. Okay? Kasi continuous siya. So, obviously, anong klaseng sequence to? This one is infinite sequence. Kasi hindi mo alam yung last term ng sequence. How about number 4? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you still have this ellipsis. Infinite or finite? This one is also infinite. O, di ba? Ang dali lang mag-identify kung finite or infinite siya. Now, you try number 5. We have negative 2, negative 5, negative 8, negative 11. And so on. Now, is this finite or infinite? Comment your answer in our comment section. And please follow our page and share our videos para mas marami pang matuto sa math. At laging tandaan, mag-aral ng mabuti. Bye!